All right, guys, we're back on our pasta kick, but this time we're gonna make some orzo pasta with Italian sausage. Y'all gonna love this one, trust me. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. So right here, I'm using some spicy Italian sausage. Now, if you don't want to use spicy Italian sausage, just use regular mild Italian sausage or sweet Italian sausage. But this is what I had in my refrigerator, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of them and use it. We have some spinach here. We have some orzo pasta here, chicken broth, heavy whipping cream, salt and pepper to taste, Parmesan cheese. I recommend you grate your own Parmesan cheese. Don't buy the packaged version. Some red chili flakes. It doesn't make the dish hot, it just adds some additional flavor. Right here, some garlic, and right here, an onion chop. So these are the ingredients. Y'all ready? Let's get started. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up our Dutch oven over medium-high heat. We're gonna add our sausage, and we're gonna cook this sausage until it's brown, breaking it up with a wooden spoon as we brown it. All right, so we're about 4 or 5 minutes in. Now we're gonna add our onions, and we're gonna continue cooking this over medium heat for another 4 or 5 minutes until those onions start to soften. All right, so we're about 4 minutes in. Looks like our onions have gotten to texture that we want them. So now we're gonna come behind that with our garlic, our chili flakes, and our orzo. And we're gonna stir this in for about 30 to 45 seconds. All right, so now we're gonna come behind that with our chicken broth, our heavy cream, and we're gonna get this mixed in. Continue to let that temperature rise back to a medium-high heat. So we want this to come up to where it starts to bubble. And once it starts bubbling, continue to let it cook for about 10 minutes uncovered at the same temperature. Now you want to stir it periodically because that pasta will tend to stick at the bottom of that pan. And if you have to turn it down, turn it down. You don't want to lose too much of the liquid before the pasta done cooked. Because of course, we're cooking the pasta in this step too. So we want that pasta to be fully cooked after that 10 minutes, all right? All right, guys, so it looks like we are there. I'm gonna pause actually I'm gonna turn it off and take a look at what we have. This is how you want the texture to be. You don't want it too watery, but you want it to be creamy like this. Make sure some of your liquid has evaporated. So to finish this off, we're gonna add our Parmesan cheese here to the mix, along with our spinach. We're gonna get that stirred in. And now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover this baby up for 5 to 10 minutes and let it sit here while the spinach wilts, the cheese melts, and it thickens up to your liking, all right? So I see you guys in about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so we're about 5 minutes in. Let's remove our veil. Oh man, guys, look at what we got. Oh man, oh goodness, look at that. Man, that looks so good. Now you can do a little taste test to add your salt and pepper. So I have like a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. So we're just gonna add that in here. Get that mixed around in here. All right, guys, this is looking great. Let's head over to our cutting board so we take a look at our final presentation and get into quality control. All right, quality control time. You already know how we do it over here. Man, look at that. Guys, I gotta show you this. Take a look at that. Oh man, whew, this thing looks good. Let's go ahead and try that out. Let me tell you something. I like the spicy Italian sausage flavor in this right here. It really gives it a lot of flavor. Now, if you got the spicy Italian sausage, I would probably say leave out the chili flakes because I could taste a little heat. So the spicy Italian sausage gives you that heat that you need, enough heat that you need. It doesn't bother me, but I know some people don't like it really spicy. And it's not that it's really spicy, but you get what I'm saying. Chili flakes and spicy Italian sausage just adds that. It just compounds the heat. But if you use mild, add those chili flakes if you want a little heat or if you want to strengthen up that flavor. So, till then, guys, man, this is good, seriously. Oh, man. I lost my train of thought. So, until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, guys, I'm not a chef. I know it seemed like it, but I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Should I drop it? No, I ain't gonna drop it. I'm just gonna say peace. Yeah, man, this one here, boy, golly.